hair been neglected, been through the storm, ignored, avoided, and looks like mine? Well, if so, this video is for you.
Getting to the money, everybody mad. Think I'm getting too much money.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, aka Naturalizta.beauty, as you see below. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, and I hope you stay a while. Welcome. And if you have been here before and you are a returning viewer, what's up? What's up? How you doing? How the kids? How the family? They good? They all good? Today's video will be about what's under this thing here. Yeah, under this scarf. You know, I'm giving out a real. So under this headscarf is some very sad, neglected, avoided, ignored results of a lazy natural. Yes, I have neglected my hair for about 10 days. My hair is absolutely matted. It is tangled. So today this video will be to show you how to detangle matted, tangled natural hair, especially if you have thick natural hair like mine. So what you will need is a spray bottle with warm water. So I filled up my handy dandy spray bottle with warm water. You can see it's still hot. You can see the little bubbles in it, so maybe a nice and warm conditioner. You can use any conditioner that you have on hand. You can use a deep conditioner. You can use anything. Whatever is gonna give you slip after you wet your hair, that is what we're concentrating on, but we are concentrating on conditioner for one. Your fingers, I hope you have all of them, because that will be very helpful with, yeah. You need some detangling instruments. I don't know if you have a wide tooth comb, a Denman brush, tangle teaser, whatever you have that you use to detangle your hair, that will help you. And just some clips to hold your hair back. So, time to expose the real. And my hair is dirty, it needs to be washed. It's matted at the roots. Oh my goodness. It is unbelievably dry. Yeah, it's time to get this problem mitigated. I think I'm gonna have to take these off because it's about to be heavy duty work. If you are able to get your fingers through your hair, what you want to do is first separate your hair into about 4 sections. So I decided to separate my hair into 4 sections without adding water first, but it will be way easier to do that with water. And I went ahead and put each of the 4 sections in a clip and left the 4th section out. So I'm gonna start off with just spraying all around my head and then going to that 4th section and then spraying as much as I see needed. So before I start to detangle that section, I'm gonna separate it into 2 sections again, and then spray some more water and begin to finger detangle my hair, feeling through all the tangles and using my fingers to gently separate the knots so I won't have so much breakage. Next, I'm just using my Untitled conditioner, but you can feel free to use any other product that you want. So what I'm doing is just applying the conditioner from the bottom and working it up to the roots. Next, I'm just going in with my wide tooth comb, starting from the ends and working my way up. Finally, I'm going in with my Tangle teaser, which I absolutely love. Look, it's just gliding through. I'm going in with my Tangle teaser for even more of a detangling because it's really been so long, and I absolutely love this. As I'm brushing my hair, you can just see my curls coming back and my hair is just bouncing back with every brush stroke. This is the love part out of my love-hate relationship with shrinkage, because the more shrinkage you have shows the more elasticity you have in your hair, but my hair is long, okay? After I'm done detangling, I'm just gonna twist each section after I detangle it and make sure I give it another brushing before I make my way down to the ends. So I wet my hair, I finger detangled, combed through, and now I am using my Tangle teaser through each section. And then I'm gonna twist it. Ooh, last night took a L, but tonight I bounced back. Don't mind me, I'm just so happy to see the moisture come back into my hair and my curls come back. So like I said, after I detangle, I'm just twisting up this section and then I'm gonna work my way around my head doing the same thing. I think it's so cool that you can see that my hair is still even despite it being curly. So we are in the last section of my head. I did all around my head already, and now I'm just spraying from the roots all the way down to the ends just to give it some moisture and open up my cuticles. Then I'm going to go on and finger detangle my hair and do this until I feel like there's no more huge knots. Then I'm going to use my conditioner. Now I'm just applying my conditioner for some slip and some more moisture. For this section, I thought that I didn't need my comb and I could just detangle it with the Tangle teaser. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just twisting it up. And that's it. Yes, we are all done now. Because it's been over a week, like a week and a half of me not properly detangling my hair, this is what I took out, which is perfectly normal. So if you like this video and it helped you in some way, please go ahead and give me a like down below. Also, what do you do for your hair? Leave your suggestions down below. Let me know. Subscribe down below to your girl's page and don't forget to click the notification button so you can know every time I upload. So I will see you later, beautiful people, because now I have to go wash this hair of mine. See you on the flip side. Peace.